Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This will be Happy Vlogmas Day 21. Hope everybody is doing good and doing well. Alright, so in today's video, I'll be doing the hashtag practicing puzzling with friends, hosted by Janita's Black Folk Well Wishes Arts and Crafts. So make sure you check out her channel. And feel free to join this open collab hosted by her. For now, I'm just doing an online puzzle game until I could get me a puzzle. I might get one soon, so they should have some on sale. I'm gonna have to start with some low numbers. I don't think I could do 1,000 puzzles. I probably will have to get a smaller one. So, come join me and watch me do this puzzle. This puzzle only have, I think, I forgot how many it's have. 2, 4, 6, 8, I think 36, 30 something. I can't do the 1,000 puzzle on it because I'm doing it on my phone and it's a little bit small. So I try to do the 1,000 puzzle one on here, but it's too small on my eyes. I can't do it. So that's why I'd rather just buy a puzzle. So on the app, I'll just do puzzles that's less than like 50 puzzles. Is easier for you to see, and it's easier for on my eyes. So I know we got to do like the end, start with the end pieces. What I like about this puzzle is that it help you with, it gather the loose pieces, like it'll put the pieces, or put them down here, see? And these are just little slots at the bottom where you can divide your pieces up. It'll show only edge piece. So these are only, oh, let me put it like this. Let's fix the pieces. These, you can click on here, it says show all pieces or gather loose pieces. Oh, I couldn't see, I pressed on it already. It'll just show you the edge pieces. So let me start here. And then so you can hear it go click. So you know, oh, I got that one. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, this one looks pretty fast. Oh, okay, this one goes up here. I'm getting the hang of this puzzle. It clicks in, so this will be more for like on the go. Oops, I keep moving the screen. Okay, that don't go there. You click this little square up here. I don't know if you can see my pen thing. I should have showed the pen. Can you show the pen pieces? Hold on, let me go to setting. Oh, I should have did it at the beginning. All right. Oh, wow, I'm getting the hang of this. I might end up doing another puzzle. Okay, forgetting that's the end piece. I gotta learn to relax when I'm doing puzzles. Okay, go there. Let's take my time. So, how's everybody doing today? I'm supposed to be getting a package. Oh, somebody's sending me a package. I think somebody's sending me a package. Somebody surprising me. I don't know if it's a family member or somebody or one of my subscribers. I just happened to sign up to my okay, see, now it brings all the other pieces and you can arrange it. Yeah, so somebody's sending me a package. I just happened to sign up to the UPS app. I suppose that, yeah, and I saw that popped up on the thing. I thought it was the other package. I'm supposed to be getting a package, a chair. And then they decide they want to come today. I'm thinking they coming Friday, and I'm supposed to be going to an event today that I'm gonna have to miss. I wanted to go out so bad. But see, they'll drop your stuff downstairs, and I don't want to leave the package downstairs. I gotta walk up 4 flights. Yep, no elevator. I miss having an elevator. Okay, now I'm just putting pieces anywhere. Okay. Relax, girl, relax. Let me open this. Let me make this more bigger for y'all. I should have turned it the other way. Alright. Nope. Okay, that goes there. Hold on, let me put some Christmas music on. I was watching something up here. Oh, okay, I know where to go. All right. Oh, I meant to turn the notifications on. Hold on a minute. Let me pause. Okay. All right. I'm back. Hold on a minute, because I'm getting text messages. Okay, I'm back. I was getting a text message from my friend, my BFF. Oh, let me turn this down. Alrighty, let's finish the picture. Alright, in the comments down below, let me know what you think this picture is before I finish it. Before you get halfway through. So, at the 7-minute mark, you can write it in. Let me know what this picture is, because I didn't show you the picture at the beginning. Alright, I see red here. Hold on, I see a white right here. Right here. Oh, I got it. Yeah, I might have to get the baby puzzles because I don't think I had a puzzle. Hold on, let me turn. I got this too loud. I had a puzzle that was it 500 pieces or 1,000 pieces? And yeah, I think I lost a piece, and I just didn't bother. But I do have a puzzle. I have to look for it, that I did a long time ago. It was a Barbie puzzle, and I glued it onto a cardboard, and I kept it. I wonder if I still have that puzzle. I think I kept that puzzle. I gotta see where I have that puzzle. Oh, where the other piece at? There's a piece missing in the puzzle. Where is the puzzle at? Hold on, y'all. Huh? Gather loose pieces. Wait a minute. Is a puzzle missing? I might have to do this one over. It's a puzzle missing. I can't believe this. Hold on. Wait a minute. Gather loose pieces. Is it stuck on the screen? Wow, y'all, I have a missing piece. From an app? I'm about to reset the puzzle. Wow, did y'all see that? I had a missing piece. Hold on, let's try this again. Oh boy, I gotta try this again. I had a missing piece. That's what I was trying to see. Was it stuck on the Wow, y'all, I gotta do the puzzle over again. I can't believe I had a missing piece. And I was just sitting here talking about missing pieces from the puzzle. And crafting with Pat, she had a video on how to fill in that missing piece if you have a missing piece. But I got an app, so I can't do it. Oh no, I can't believe I had a missing, unless it was over there somewhere. Hold on, let me put the pieces down here so I can see. So I got that side already. And I was almost done too. Oh, I think it was underneath something. And I probably didn't see it. Oh, hold on. Line the pieces up again. Let me put them over here so I can see it. Alright. Okay. I got it. So that is the picture of the cute kitty cat. That's a nice picture. I cannot believe that I sat there and couldn't find a piece on here. The minute I started talking about missing pieces. I'm like on an app. Alright, y'all. So that is the picture for today. Puzzle picture for today. Oh, excuse me. So make sure you click on the hashtag and check out everybody else's puzzles. I think it's Kitty Coloring, Becca, Zainty Inspiration, Crafting with Pat, Just Donna. I'll put their links in the description. Is I'm missing anybody? And myself. I think it's like 5 or 6 of us. Yeah, just click on the link and make sure, click on the hashtag and you can check out everybody else's puzzles. You can upload the puzzles that you're going to do, the progress, you can, or how far you got, or you can show us doing the puzzle, doing the puzzle. So feel free and join. Okay, so happy Vlogmas Day 21. Everybody have a wonderful, wonderful day. Peace, love, and blessings.